Where's Renfrey?
She's at the tower with your little friend, Varelka.
She gave us a message to pass on to you. You have to choose the lesser evil.
It's an ultimatum. Get it?
Fuck.